Hi, to download watch faces on the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Active, as a first step we need to find and open the Mi Fitness app. So here make sure that the watch is connected to the app, and in this case you would see the status connected battery percentage. Now we would need to go in this manage band displays, and here we would find many options for our watch face. Also, we can go in the local, and here you would see all of your installed wallpapers. So also we can see those sections, which is categories. You can select utility, formal, custom, workout, and check all of the available options. So if you would like to set your own photo as a watch face, you will need to go in the custom, select one of 5 albums, for example the first one, and here you can select photos and choose any photo from your gallery and then set it as a watch face and press the button apply. And now let's select something from the formal, for example. I like this number jumble, so let's tap it, and now to apply it as our current watch face, we would need to press this orange button apply, wait a couple of seconds, and here it is. Let's try this one more time with this ivory moon. So as before, tap apply and just wait till it will load to 100%. And yeah, it's working. To check your current watch faces, you will need to press it like that, and here is all of your installed options. Also, you can check this edit button, and here sometimes you can change the style or complications. For example, if I'm not mistaken, in this one we can change complications, yes. Just tap any and switch from the timer to alarm, for example, and that is how it will look. And from heart rate measurements we can switch to the stress. And this is how it looks now. And press the check mark to confirm the changes. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.